What's up, YouTube? Classic Conrad here again. And today we're going to be doing another product unboxing. I just got my package in from Amazon. It's right here. And today we're actually going to be looking at the Audio-Technica AT2020 streamer slash podcaster condenser XLR microphone kit. And if you guys like these videos, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out.
So we're actually going to get started with the unboxing here. Make sure my knife stays open for safety, of course. So the entire AT2020 streamer podcaster pack comes in one box. It's very nicely packaged. The first thing we have here is a book of instruction pamphlets and of course a very nice sticker. Included is a nice padded accessory bag and a mount for the microphone. Now these are the monitor headphones, the Audio-Technica M20 I believe, and I was actually very pleasantly surprised with these headphones. They're very comfortable and everything sounds great, and the jack on there is a 1/4 inch male jack. Again, here's the nice padded accessory bag. Now in this bigger box is the boom itself, and of course your desk clamp for securing the boom and your microphone. Now the boom feels very solid, it feels very well put together, and I especially like how the XLR cable is routed through the boom, which will definitely help for wire management. And of course here is a very nice close-up shot of the microphone itself.
So as you can see, I have the AT2020 set up, ready to go, right next to my Neewer NW-700 mic. Now I have both of these microphones running to my Scarlett 2i2 audio interface, and the gain knob on both of them are about the same, somewhere between the 2 and 3 o'clock position. So this should give you guys a really good understanding of the sound difference between the Neewer NW-700 and the AT2020 mic. It is worth noting that the AT2020 mic by itself is about $100, and the Neewer NW-700 microphone for just the mic is about $30. And about a week ago I did a video unboxing and setting up and giving my thoughts on this mic, and I loved the mic then, and I still do. The only reason I bought a new microphone so soon is because I have a project coming up soon where I'm going to need 2 microphones. If it wasn't for that, I probably would have never bought this. That being said, I love this mic. So there's nothing wrong with the Neewer NW-700, and at its price point, I think it's very hard to beat. I would recommend this microphone to anyone who's looking to upgrade their audio setup on a tight budget. However, if you're looking for maybe a little bit more, a little richer audio and slightly higher quality, this is the way to go in my opinion. If you have a little more money to play with when purchasing your microphone, I would definitely consider the Audio-Technica AT2020. I think the sound just sounds crisper. I think it sounds a little clearer. But like I was saying, for $50 for this whole setup, you really can't go wrong with the Neewer. I don't even know which mic I'm supposed to be talking into. So yeah, you really can't go wrong with the Neewer. My one major complaint with the AT2020 is that the end of the boom where the microphone threads on just kind of hangs here. You can't lock it in a specific position. It just hangs this way. So this, I might have to actually end up going back to my Neewer boom using the AT2020 mic. The reason why this is kind of annoying is because when I'm streaming, I don't want a boom arm and an XLR cable directly in front of my face when I'm trying to look at my computer screens. That's just not going to work. But as far as the microphone itself and the rest of the components, as you would expect for, you know, almost $100 more. The build quality on the AT2020 kit is fantastic. Everything just feels solid, feels very sturdy, and I'm very pleased with the way the mic sounds. So I hope you guys found this video useful as a nice little side-by-side between the AT2020 and the Neewer NW-700, since they're both best-selling mics on Amazon. And maybe this can help you decide if, you know, the Neewer NW-700 is what you need and it's only $40. You know, it's a great value. Or if you have a little more money to play with, maybe get the AT2020. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.